Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 to the Google Fit app, which is one of the best app when it comes to fitness tracking. And as you all know that Google has created the Wear OS, which is running on this watch, and also Google has created the Google Fit. So this can be one of the best fitness apps which you can use instead of the Samsung Health app, which is the default app for the Galaxy watches in terms of tracking fitness. And we all know that Google is really good in making software and apps, and so this app just blends in with the Wear OS which is there in this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So we will see how we can connect the Google Fit app and the features of the Google Fit app which you can implement in this watch. There are a lot of widgets, customization options, and also we will see what are the things it can track and all the preferences and settings of this app. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will make more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do to connect the Google Fit app with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is you need to download the Google Fit app on your watch and also on your Android device. So if you come to Play Store and search for Google Fit, you will get the app and you need to just download it. And in the watch also you have to come to Play Store and download the Google Fit app. From there you can download it from the phone also. As you can see, I can select the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and install the app at any time. So I have already installed the Google Fit app in my phone and the watch, and next thing you need to do is fire the Google Fit app, which will be there. And once you fire the app, you will be seeing that all the activities it has tracked already in my phone and have been syncing across the devices. So in terms of customization, the Google Fit app is one of the best apps also. So if you come to the customization options, you can see we have got a lot of widgets which you can configure in this watch. So if I swipe right, you can see I am seeing number of steps and also the heart points. As we all know that Google Fit gives heart points according to the activities you will be doing. So the heart points are extremely important, and if I tap on this, I will directly go to the details of my workout and steps. I am not only getting the step count, I am also seeing how much calories I have burnt, what is the distance I have walked, and also the move minute, which is the minute I was active while walking. Also this week I can see how much heart points I have collected, and there are other options also which I can implement right now from the watch. So in the Google Fit app you will be getting the heart rate option, the workout option, the breathing option, and the settings option. So heart rate is nothing but you can measure the heart rate. So I have already measured my heart rate. So the heart rate details it will be showing you in this manner, and then you will be getting the workouts. So workout modes you can select as per your choice. So there are a lot of workout modes you will be getting: walking, running, cycling, treadmill, stationary, strength training, and all, and other workouts are also there. In case the workout is not available in the list, you can choose from here. In the settings you can do a lot of things, like you can set goals while doing a workout, and once the goal will be completed you will be obviously notified in the watch. And there are units, so unit you can change as per your choice, and definitely you can also track the location with this watch GPS and add it to your Google Fit data tracking. And there are other Bluetooth sensors also which you can connect to the Google Fit app and track, like if you want to measure the blood pressure and all, you can do that. And using body sensors, that means the watch sensors, it will be collecting the data. So in the settings you can configure all these things. And other than that, if I swipe right, you will see that I have the option of breathe. That means I can relax with turning on the option and doing a breathing exercise. So make sure you are doing some breathing exercise, because a lot of stress has been added to our daily life. We need this type of options, and Google Fit has this option. I'm really glad about it. So the next thing which it will show is total heart points which you have collected in the week. So this is also a really important thing. If you want to keep a track of your activities, you can do this with the Google Fit app widgets. Everything is at your fingertips by swiping right. And again, if I swipe right, there is a workout screen to select the workouts and go directly to the workout with an easy step. So here you can see the workout screen is also very simple, and if I start the workout, we'll collect the workout data and obviously sync it to the Google Fit app. So the things which it will show is the kilometer you have traveled and also the time, and here it is showing me the heart rate, and obviously it is also giving me the option to stop the workout, go to the music player, and also the option of water log is there. So the water log option is there is obviously because if someone is going for a swimming workout, they can apply this option, and definitely I have turned off the water log here, and so I will be turning off the workout also. All the things are there in the workout modes, and here are the 3 workout modes which are displayed. If I swipe right, I will be seeing the heart rate sensor data. So here is a good thing about the heart rate sensor which comes with the Google Fit app. I don't know why, if I try measuring my heart rate with this app, it is measuring the heart rate in much lesser time than the Samsung Health or Samsung native app. So if I just start measuring my heart rate, you will see that it will measure the heart rate in just few seconds. So here I am starting, and here you can see heart rate is measured. So it takes a much lesser time than the other apps which are there to measure heart rate, and this works really well. So these are the things you will be getting in the widget section in terms of customization options. And now I will also show you how you can put this watch face, which is the Google Fit watch face, on your watch. So to put this watch face, you have to come to the Galaxy Wear app, and in the watch face section you will be getting the Google Fit watch face. If you have installed the Google Fit app on your watch, and this watch face is really configurable and customizable. So here you can see I will be getting the customize option, and I can choose 2 buttons which can be used in here. So the complications, I can set anything. I will set the battery measurement because battery measurement is a really important thing to track. So here you can see the battery option is there, and I will be putting the battery and the workout option here. So only 2 of the complications you can set, and you can see that the battery is showing in the watch face itself. I can go directly to the battery also from here, and this is for the workout mode which I can start directly from the watch face itself. So this is the thing, you can set this watch face also, and it will show you the daily counter of number of steps and also the heart points. So you can set this daily counter as per your choice while you will be first installing the app. So this is the thing you can do with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Google Fit app. A lot of customization you can do with this app, and you can use it as a standalone app to track all of your fitness data. So now the thing is how you can connect this app and sync the data across the devices. So first of all, you need to come to the Google Fit app which you have installed on your phone, and in here you have to make sure that you have logged in with your email account. So if you have not logged in, you have to create one Google account. Obviously you will be having one. You have to log in with the Google account here, and once you have done that, you have to come to the watch and go to the Google Fit app. So this is the Google Fit app, and in here you have to come to the settings option. In the settings option you will be getting the option of Fit account, and here you have to give the same email ID which you have logged in with on your phone. This email ID should be the same email ID, and obviously you have to log in and give all the permissions which are required to track the data and sync the data from your phone to this watch. And once you have done that, the data will be automatically synced with your watch and also on your phone. So if you are doing some workout by wearing the watch and the phone is not with you, the data will be collected and synced to your phone because it is connected via the same Google account on both the devices. So this is the thing you need to do to track and sync data with the Google Fit app on your phone and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and obviously you will be getting the customization options also on your watch which comes with this Google Fit app. And obviously if you are a fan of widgets, you can set the widget of the Google Fit app on your phone also, which looks actually similar to the widget which is used on your watch. So that's it guys, this is the way you can connect your Google Fit app with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and sync data across the devices. And I think you can use this app as a standalone app to track all your fitness data, as this is one of the best apps you will be getting when it comes to tracking fitness data in the Play Store. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.